Robert Mugabe Kachebezi meya wa Mbarara City niwe yaba umugenyi mukuru aha mukoro ogwakorerwa kitebe kikuru cya Mbarara City South kandi umukoro gwahikwaho abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe okoroga Mbarara City na UPDF
nubwamahe gareba ihango kurya berri na rubonabona obururu bwibirwe enseryo mukabi civilians nbo babene bafwa bakajangunga bace bakekora umurimo bace few of them bace ukatije okwa yamagaraga 27 can you imagine attack bara
sasa Uganda yote ilikombolewa. Nadhani siku hizi hakuna district yote ambayo ina tatizo, na kwa hivyo tunashukuru sana. Asante sana, muongeze mbele kidogo. Asante kulinda mzee na kulinda nchi yetu.
Kano James Kasure umuhwezi w'umudumizi w'enkambi ya kabiri ya Makenke owajwekera umudumizi yashoborera kigendererwa icyo kujaguza izoberi.
So we are celebrating this day because from that day to date civilians have been helping the army in different ways. So we come out to show our people that we are still there, we are still together, and we show them the way the army is growing every year.
Bwanyuma yo kutongoza abasirukare ba UPDF n'abebembezi bayejumbira mu kuboneza town ya Mbarara okubyara imitikandi ho nabatahuhereza abantu buhereza bwa busha obwe byamagara hirware rya Nyamitobora Health Center ya kabiri erubahereze kunduza
bariyembahereza service abantu aha byamagara ababurijo numutima munonga gavuye ergene tworeka nguruyare abo bariyo abarinzi bo businge mu sector zona dizinye na ba Dr. Divine kandi ba Dr. ne baragurira abantu bona no batari basirikare bonka konga bagarka baragurira abantu bitu baburijo.
Now we building bridges, we are building the houses, we are doing so many big activities. For example, in Ruchiga now, if you go there, where the national celebration is going to be on the 6th, you are going to really confirm that you are armed group. And indeed, I want to thank you. By the way, thank you so much for giving us peace and protecting the nation. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okujaguza kwihanga ryona nukuzakorerwa umucanga cya Kigezi hari National Teachers College kandi umuramwa gw'umwaka ogo nukugira ngo defending the gains of the revolution and honoring the sacrifice of the freedom fighters, a call for national unity, peace and socio-economic transformation. Gashakwa Abdukalim Sengendo.